name's Emily if you're new here. My fiance and I just bought our first house, so welcome to our empty house tour. Okay, great. So you're in our entryway right now, and right off of the entryway is this cute little coat closet. And next to the coat closet is our office. So this is where I'm gonna get to work from home every day. I have been working in between our kitchen and our living room in our 1-bedroom apartment, and I cannot believe I'm now going to have not only a dedicated workspace, but a dedicated workroom. Okay, great. So right off of the entryway, we have the super long hallway that leads into the rest of our house. On my left here is our garage. I won't show you that, it's boring. Further down here, we have a hallway on both sides, and we'll show you this one first. In here we have a storage closet. It is called the Costco closet according to the salespeople. There's a ton of storage in there, so that's really exciting. Off of this hallway here is the first guest bath, and it's a full bath, so exciting stuff. We went with gold fixtures on everything, and I love it. Okay, coming off of this hallway with the bathroom and the storage closet, we have 2 bedrooms that are basically identical. Bedroom over here, closet looks slightly different than the other one. And I'll show you the other bedroom. Bedroom number 2, this closet's slightly different. It's like your normal closet. Ta-da! So that's hallway number 1, or technically hallway number 2. Right this way is another closet. And then in here is our laundry room. We went with Evergreen Fog for our cabinet color in here. And we're still waiting on our washer and dryer to be delivered. We have another bedroom. This is gonna be like our live-in suite in case Gretchen, the videographer, wants to move in with us, and or our guest room in the future. So bedroom here, and then it has an attached full bath. This bathroom is a copy and paste of the other one. It's the exact same thing, but there's a huge walk-in closet right off of this bathroom, so great storage in there as well. Ta-da! Coming off of the hallways, our grand entryway hallway comes right down here and opens up into our main living space. We have a nice little mantle and fireplace right here. TV wall is here. Obviously you can see these gorgeous windows. I'm so excited to have all this natural light. My plants are going to hopefully thrive. We went with green cabinets for our kitchen cabinets. I'm obsessed with them. It's called Rosemary by Sherwin-Williams. We learned a lot of green paint colors when we were deciding. We've got extra cabinet space over here. My espresso machine will go right here. And then we have this awesome kitchen. We have a pantry for the first time ever. Never had one of those before. We'll take a minute for the farmhouse sink and the gold fixture. And yeah, I'm excited to have gas stovetop range for the first time in forever. And we now have drawers for our pots and pans. And we paid extra for soft clothes. Our microwave and oven are over here. Excited to have the oven like in the wall instead of like, underneath the stove. I think that'll be a nice change. Dishwasher here. Yeah, that's our kitchen. Behind you is our dining room and or breakfast nook, if that's what you want to call it. So we're gonna end up putting a table here, and you have like a bench here. I'll put plants on it, let's be honest, that's what belongs there. And we're thinking curtains. Nice flowy light curtains that when you open the window, the breeze will come in and they'll, breeze. So this is our breakfast nook / dining room area. And then this leads out to our patio. I don't know if it's smart to put your backyard on the internet, but we have this nice extended patio space out here and then a yard. So one of the huge reasons we chose this lot specifically was there won't ever be a house behind us or next to us on this side. So we actually will have these trees. That's not ours, but it's next to us. And we're letting all the AC out, so let's go back inside. We're almost done. Okay, so coming right this way, we'll have our couch right here, TV on the wall. We'll have stockings at Christmas time to be able to hang above the fireplace. into the primary suite. So this is gonna be our room. We have these nice little bay windows. Again, the plants are gonna love it. I think we're going to paint this wall so it's not quite so white. And then right here is our ensuite bathroom. Ta-da! We spent a lot of time trying to decide on what tile and like colors to do in here, and I think it turned out really great, honestly. So same counters as in our kitchen. We went with, this was as close as we could get to white oak with the designers, but I think it turned out really good. We're gonna end up doing gold hardware on all of these, so just hopefully it won't be too much gold, but we'll see. But carried through that throughout the house. Double sinks. This is a cute little makeup vanity area sort of thing with your light coming in, and then a little drawer here. We went with the oval tub. Shower. What else do we have in here? We have a little linen closet. I've never had a linen closet in my bathroom, so that will be great. There is a toilet closet, so that's also a new experience for me. And then we have our actual closet. So this is bigger than I've ever had for, you know, our clothes aren't even gonna take up like half of this, so that's gonna be kind of funny. But that's our closet, that's our bathroom and our room. And that's pretty much it. Well, that's it for our first empty house tour. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will talk to you next time. Also, shout out to Gretchen for filming this video. Thank you so much for being here and helping us move. Okay, talk to y'all later. Bye! Cheers!